I'm here with Isaac, and we're gonna check out his 2013 Ford Mustang GT. So what exactly are we looking at right here?
This is my 2013 Mustang GT 5.0. I just got it actually 2 weeks ago.
All right.
Still getting used to the car. I've never had anything this powerful. It has a Bama performance tune on it, the race tune, 93 octane. Shorty headers, and then 3-inch exhaust all the way back. I think they just welded it up because it's just fully straight pipe, super loud.
Okay. As far as modifications, you got any bolt-ons or things like that?
For now, I only have a cold air intake and then shorty headers with that 3-inch exhaust all the way back.
What's the cold air intake you have? Do you know that?
K&N.
Sweet. Yeah. Do you know about what power it's pushing, what the specs are?
As far as I know, the last owner told me it's making like low 400s to the wheel. Hopefully I can confirm that on a dyno someday.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely got some plans.
Okay. And as far as cosmetic, it's super clean. Are there any like cosmetic mods that are done to it?
These wheels, they're 20s. I think they're 20x9 in the front and then 20x10 in the rear.
All right.
275s.
Okay.
And then it has the custom hood.
Yeah, that looks really good. I love the hood.
Yep, and then the GT500 rear spoiler that was added on.
That looks really good. So as far as performance, do you have anything you want to do to it in the future, like modifying it?
Oh yeah, so I plan on getting the VMP supercharger for it, and then, I don't know, a lot of big plans for it.
Yeah, I'm sure. You just got it. I'm
Yep.
sure your mind must be going everywhere.
Oh yeah.
What made you want to go with this car instead of any other car?
Main reason is I know who I bought it from. He didn't really beat on it much. Took good care of it, as you can see.
Yeah, it's super clean looking at it. So far, you've only had it 2 weeks, but what's your favorite thing about the car?
Definitely the sound. I love the Coyote engines. They sound so good.
Yeah, it is loud.
I ordered Borla mufflers for it.
Okay.
Quiet it down a little bit.
All right.
But
your neighbor's getting a little angry at you?
Oh yeah, 6:30 in the morning, starting it up for work. I don't think they like it.
No, probably not. And again, you've only had it 2 weeks, but is there something you would change and something you don't like about the car?
The tint. I hate the tint. There's no windshield tint and then 35 on the sides. So it's basically nothing.
Okay, so you want to tint it more is what you're saying?
Yes, I hate the current tint.
That makes sense. Okay, so we covered the outside. What about the inside? Do you have any mods in the interior?
We have the full interior carbon fiber kit all along the door and then all along the dash. And then we have the Bama performance tuner hanging up along with the Cobra radar.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, the radar worked pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
It saved you a couple times yet?
It worked a few times on the way here.
Nice, that's awesome. Seems like a pretty sweet car. Should we take a ride?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's go.
Whenever I give a gas, everyone hears it.
Yeah.
So it's just...
And cops can hear it from a mile away.
Oh, yeah.
Like right there, that was so loud. Like every cop in Detroit heard that.
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's amazing. That sounds awesome.
Yeah. Extremely loud.
It is so loud. Oh man. That feels good.
Yeah, it's perfect for me. I went from a truck to this, so still getting used to it.
Yeah, I believe it. Oh man, holy crap. That is awesome. That sounds so nice. Since you've owned it, how fast have you gotten it so far? Top speed?
130.
Nice. 130. Yeah. That's quick. That's going fast.
In Mexico.
Yeah, in Mexico, of course. Yeah, it's a fun car. That sound just makes it like feel.
Yeah, it makes it feel 10 times faster.
Yeah, it makes it feel like an absolute monster. It's like you don't have to have 1,000 horsepower to have fun.
Exactly.
That's awesome. That coyote sound, man.
Yeah.
Sure, there's faster cars, but when it's that,
Oh, yeah.
it's the whole experience. That
Yeah.
sound is
There's someone always
unbelievable.
faster than you. But
True. Yep.
as long as you enjoy the car, that was my big thing. Is that when I test drove it, I told the guy, I was like, because he texted me, he was like, hey, you want to come test drive it? Blah blah.
Oh yeah.
And I said, dude, if I test drive it, I'm gonna end up buying it.
The sound just echoes off all the cars in the buildings.
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
It's very easy to scare people with this car.
Yeah, I'm sure like if you put someone in here that didn't really know about cars, the sound would just terrify them.
Yeah.
Like they would think this is like 3,000 horsepower, it's a monster, just because it sounds like that.
Yeah. I took a few people for rides, and like I've taken people that have been in like insane cars, like you, and
Yeah.
then people that have just been in regular old like traffic cars, and their reactions is priceless.
Yeah, it's fun. It's a really fun car.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, thanks. I appreciate it.
No problem.